Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We are right now on the second floor of the new GMC block, okay, where ICU section is. Now we as the family of the ICU patients, we are like around 17, 18 of us over here. This is a common toilet that we use, and if you can just see, with the cyclonic storm, this is the state of the whole washroom, and you can see that right from inside, the packing has not been done well. You can see for yourself right now. Because of that, the breeze has just blown away all the sheets. Whenever you have all the water gushing down, you have to have a proper channel where it connects and it gets out. That has not been done. This is Raju, and he's been doing a lot of social work, and he's reached out. We were trying different remedies, and this has come to our solution. These are all the family members of the patients who are in ICU. They have to shift everything because this whole place is filled with water. You can see water. Pure water. There is hardly one person who is trying to push out all the water. All the water. So thank you, Mr. Vishwajit Rane, for opening up this new block. And you can just see the disaster with one rain.
अनेक आमकां विचारिल्ले न्यू सुपर स्पेशलिटी ब्लॉक स्टार्ट केला थंय खुबशी डॅमेज जाली न्यू कन्स्ट्रक्टेड हितून सुद्दां
न्यू कन्स्ट्रक्टेड हितून डॅमेज जावं ना तेच्यानी बरेचशे विंडो ओपन दवरलेले ताज्या खातीर उदक जें आसा हांव तेंय मॉनिटर करतालो खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात विंडो ओपन दवरल्या कारणान सायक्लॉन आनी रिजन सी फेसिंग आसल्या कारणान सायक्लॉन तेच सायडींतल्यान उदक सुपर स्पेशलिटीन आयलें बट आमचे थंयसरले सगळे डीन आनी बाकीचे सगळे डॉक्टर्स आनी हावजकीपींग एजन्सीज मेळून तेंच्यांनी तें क्लियर अप केलां विदीन 2 वरांनी तें क्लीन करपाक शकले.